What is going on, everybody? Welcome to abs circuit number 2. We're only gonna be doing one round of this, so it's gonna be a total of 6 minutes. If you wanna go for 2, you can go for 2, but I wouldn't suggest going for any more than that because you're gonna be burning a ton of calories, not only during the workout, but after the workout due to the interval style of training that we are doing. So our first exercise we're gonna start with is lying flutter kicks. Again, for each exercise, we're doing 40 seconds on, followed by a 20-second rest, and we're gonna get right into this. So we're gonna lay back down. We got our timer set. And for the flutter kicks, you're just gonna lay back. You can use your hands on the floor as an anchor if you want. If you wanna make it a little more difficult, bring your hands up. And you're literally just kicking up and down. Don't go too crazy trying to go super fast. Control it, make sure that you feel the contraction in your abs. You should not be rushing through this. But if you can go a little bit quicker, that's fine. Just make sure you still feel it. And if you want to make this a little more easy, keep your head flat down. If you want to make this a little more harder, go into a crunch like I am right here. That's going to keep a little more tension on your abs. And rest. So next up, we're going to be doing single elbow to knees. So these are basically bicycles, but in a different form. I like these better than bicycles because I feel the contraction better and I don't feel like you're trying to rush through it as well. So right arm to left knee. And switch, we're doing 20 seconds each side. And rest. Next up is plank up downs. So again, if these are more difficult for you, you can do them on your knees. It's up to you. Start here, and this is the basic movement. So I'm gonna start in a regular plank. I'm gonna go up with the left, down with the right, up with the right, down with the left, and just keep alternating that movement. Okay. Next up is mountain climbers. Plank position, left to right. All right. Opposite toe touches. Same thing, right to left, left to right. This is the last exercise. Push yourself here. And if you can't touch your toe, that's fine. Just reach in that direction. And there you have it, 6-minute follow along ab workout. This is a good way to end after doing the cardio. This isn't like a super high, crazy intense ab workout. It's just enough after doing the cardio. So like I said, if you want to do one more round, go ahead and do another round, but beyond that, don't push yourself any harder than that. Mostly just try to push yourself during the circuit and really just maximize that time. So thank you guys so much for working out with me. We'll see you tomorrow.